Hi everyone, it's Neha here. Welcome back to our channel. So today I'm gonna talk about the three major destinations of northern part of West Bengal. So the places we have the Queen of Hills, Darjeeling, along with Kurseong and Kalimpong. Darjeeling, a backpacker's delight and honeymooner's dream. So, as we all know that Darjeeling is an unembolized canvas of natural beauty. At the foothills of Himalayas, Darjeeling stands proudly. It only takes one step to visit Queen of Hills and fall in love with. So let's not waste time and get into explore Darjeeling from home.
First, we have Tiger Hill. Lying at an altitude of 2,590 meters and a distance of 13 kilometers away from the Darjeeling. Tiger Hill is the most famous for its splendid sights of sunrise, from where you can see the peak of Kanchenjunga. Next, we have tea plantations, Darjeeling. With over 80 tea plantations in Darjeeling spread across the slopes of the valleys of this tourist trap, a visit to at least one tea garden is crucial to the tourist agenda. Next, we have Darjeeling Observatory Hill. Like most other hill stations in India, Darjeeling also has a mall road. Views of snow-clad peak, including Mount Kanchenjunga, are visible from the Observatory Hill. The Bhutia Basti Monastery was originally located here. Next, we have monasteries in Darjeeling. One must visit the monasteries of Darjeeling to experience the essence of the place. A few that stand out in the crowd are Ghum Monastery, Bhutia Basti Monastery, and Alubari Monastery. Next, we have Darjeeling Himalayan Railway. A visit to the city of Darjeeling is incomplete without a joyride at the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway toy train. This was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site on 2nd December 1999. Next, we have Singalila National Park. It is the highest national park in West Bengal. The park is the house of very rare and exotic red panda and the Himalayan black bear. Next, we have Darjeeling Peace Pagoda. It is one of the 70th odd structure built under the guidance of Japanese monk Nichidatsu Fuji. Is a must-visit place during the daily pujas. Next, we have Darjeeling Rock Garden. It is also known as the Barboti Rock Garden, which is surrounded by beautiful hill stream along with fascinating flower gardens and sitting arrangements. Next, we have Nightingale Park. This park was earlier called the Strawberry when it was a private courtyard. There is a giant statue of Lord Shiva, a musical fountain, along with the great scenery.
So next we have Kurseong, the place labeled as the land of white orchids. Kurseong is a city in Darjeeling district in the Indian state of West Bengal. The hill station famous for its waterfalls, temples, and Buddhist gurus. So let's have a look to Kurseong and the places one must try while you visit Kurseong.
First, we have Ambotia Shiva Mandir, one of the most popular temples in Kurseong. It is well known not just for its religious significance, but also for its scenic beauty. Next, we have Eagle's Crag, the point scenic spot offering panoramic views of the surrounding plains and hills, plus an observation tower. Next, we have Deer Park, Kurseong. Situated in the Doe Hill area, Deer Park is one of the major attractions in Kurseong. Next, we have Forest Museum. Maintained by the Forest Department, the Forest Museum is another treat for nature lovers. One can learn about various animals that inhabited the forest in the past. Next, we have churches. The place has various heritage churches from the British time, namely St. Paul's Church, St. Andrew's Church and St. Mary's Hills Church. Next, we have Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Museum. This museum is housed in Netaji Subhash elder brother's residence. It has pictures, documents and articles related to Netaji.
Next we have in list is Kalimpong. It is a virgin hill station in West Bengal, renowned for its panoramic valley views, Buddhist architecture, Buddhist monasteries, churches and Tibetan handicrafts. So let's check out what other major attractions we have of Kalimpong.
First, we have Durpin Dara Hill, offering the panoramic view of the town of Kalimpong, the snow-clad Himalayan ranges of West Sikkim, Tista River and its valley. Next, we have Cactus Nursery, the land of the largest number of commercial flower nurseries. Kalimpong Nurseries specializes in cultivation of exotic beautiful flowers and exotic cactus and export these to different parts of the country. Next, we have Sericulture Research Institute, Kalimpong. It is a place for breeding the silkworms. It works closely with the farmers in developing self-help groups and in the cultivation and sale of different stages of silk production. Next, we have Morgan House. It is a mansion built by Mr. and Mrs. Morgan in the 1930s. It has been converted into a tourist lodge for tourists by the West Bengal Tourism Development Corporation. Next, we have Durpin Monastery. This monastery was constructed by Dalai Lama in 1976. It seems as a sample of Buddhist construction style with beautiful paintings on the wall. Next, we have Crockety. Built by the British wool traders in 18th century, Crockety is a bungalow famous for its architectural design and the breathtaking surrounding.
So, these were the 3 major destinations of North Bengal. Hope you all have enjoyed and please stay tuned.